G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 3 Teal Way in the popular bayside suburb of River Heads. There is a bit to take in, including the view. Let's go and take a look. This lovely home is enviably set on an elevated 700 square metre allotment in the popular Hervey Bay suburb of River Heads, which is the gateway to the Great Sandy Straits and Fraser Island. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the River Heads boat ramp and ferry service to World Heritage listed Gari. This is where you can access the Great Sandy Straits, the Mary and Susan rivers, which is a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You also have the convenience that comes with being only minutes away from the local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, the golf course, cafés, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This low-set home was completed in 2005 and can continue to be a solid investment opportunity with a great long-term tenant in place, or a low-maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Upon entering the home, the open plan living and dining area does form the heart of this home and includes the kitchen, which also features a ceiling fan and cork flooring. The kitchen does offer ample bench and storage space plus a pantry. Appliances include a 4-burner gas cooktop with range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. The expansive outdoor entertaining deck seamlessly connects with the open plan living and dining area and offers that lovely outlook towards Gari. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. This home does include 2 spacious bedrooms, both with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. There is a 2-way bathroom off the main bedroom, which features a shower over the bath, a vanity and a toilet. The laundry does offer direct access outside to the clothesline. Those looking to accommodate a large RV, caravan or boat will be pleased with the side access, and you could add a shed or pool if desired as well. Homes offering an outlook like that in this price range are rare and sure to be in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.